Africa's shortwave landscape -2025. Why is shortwave still relevant in Africa? Because it reaches where the internet and FM don't. Radio ELWA Liberia, Christian programs and news. TWR Africa Eswatini, faith-based content for East Africa. Radio Cairo Egypt, Irregular English service. 21:15 to 20 to 45 UTC. Radio Mali, English news bulletin every Saturday. 100 kilowatts at 1852-1905 UTC. BBC Relays, Madagascar East Africa. Ascension West and Central Africa. Madagascar World Voice, 100 kilowatts from Mahajanga. World Christian Broadcasting, CRI from Mali. English content on China-Africa relations. Ifrikya FM Algeria. Transmitters in Ouargla and Béchar, 300 kilowatts output. TWR Africa, Monday-Friday, 1802 to 1902 UTC for East African listeners. Compiled by Tony Rogers, British DX Club BDXC. Shortwave, still connecting Africa.